Hi, good morning parents and students. Welcome to LSU. On behalf of the Director of Libraries, my name is Angela and I was sent here to speak about the library. I have to tell you what are our mission and objective, where is the library located, and what are the connections in the library, and then our service hours and when is the library open. So the library exists, next please. The library exists basically to support the university's course program and then the students and teachers' needs in the learning and teaching process, and then the extension and research program of this university. And how do we give our support? We provide the information resources, and then we organize them, then provide access, and then we also try to give you a good place to study. So our collections, aside from books, we also have college publications. A new college publication, these are the compilation of the researches made by the professors of the college. And then we also have the archival documents. What are the archival documents? These are the historical records of this university. And then aside sa books, sa archives, aside from these documents, we also have electronic resources. Meron kami computers, CD-ROMs, and then databases. We also have multimedia and audiovisual materials. You can borrow these multimedia materials if you want to enhance your class report. And then we also have the periodicals. It includes the newspapers, magazines, and journals. So even the parents, mother, father, you can ask your daughter or your son to borrow a newspaper for you. Manila Bulletin, Philippine Star, and then Good Housekeeping, meron din po kami, mga mod, and then recipe magazines. And then we also have thesis collection. So kung nag-4th year ka kayo and then you are into thesis writing, you can use this thesis as your models or guide. And then we also have the vertical file collection. Ano yung vertical file? Kailangan ko ba yan? Yes, pag nag-research kayo, kailangan nyo rin ng ibang source na information. These are the article clippings that we cut from the newspaper. We compile them, for example, sa poverty, economic crisis, or yung swine flu today. And then we also have the special collections, such as American Studies, China, Japanese, which focuses on those countries. And then our archives is similar to archival documents. ASEAN, Laureliana, if you, nakita niyo ba yung EAF ninyo, are you enrolled into JPL subject? Meron kayong natatandaan? Okay, pagka meron kayong nakitang JPL subject, aside sa required textbook ng prof ninyo, you can use the books at the Laureliana section. We also have the Soterich Laurel collection. These are the personal collection transferred to the library of the former Senator Sotero, who is the one of the children of President Jose P. Laurel. Diba? Napaka-special. And then we also have the United Nations collections. And then novels, we have good collection, wide collection of novels. So sino sa inyo mahilig sa mga John Grisham, you can borrow these books for 5 days. Next, please. So aside sa collection, hindi lang kami nakaupo dun sa desk namin. No, we give user education services like bibliographic instruction. We give disorientation, personalized instruction, and we will teach you how to use the internet effectively para hindi kayo hanap about your research and then millions and millions of results ang lumalabas. So mas mabilis. Aside from that, we are also connected to consortium networks. Meaning, you can also use the books of these libraries. For example, Central, Mapua, PLM, LaSalle, Manila, St. Benilde, Philippine Normal, Venus, Christian University, St. Scholastica. Ang galing, di ba? Makakapasok kayo sa library nila. Next is Library League. So, this is a database of Filipiniana books. So, if you do not have that certain book about the Philippines, we can look at the league and then we will try to see which library owns it. And then we also have the PaaralNet. So, outside dun sa consortium, pwede rin kayo pumunta sa UST, sa Ateneo, and sa University libraries. We also have instructional media. Again, these are the multimedia materials. Next, please. We also have the internet and email access. We are providing 80 computer workstations. Lahat yun, flat monitors. But you can also bring your own laptop sa library pagka kailangan ninyo and then pull yung e-live. And then, we have the service na CD burning, scanning, printing. So, hindi nyo na kailangan lumabas. Kailangan nyo lang dali yung USB ninyo and school ID. Next is Information Awareness Program. What's this? This is our way of alerting or informing our users. By the form of bulletin board, you can look at the bulletin board, what's new sa library, what are the new books sa new, under the new acquisitions list, and then we also produce guides. Nakakakuha ba kayo ng library guide? Yes? Yes or no? Yes. So, kahit pangit ang printing ng library guide, I tell you, that is useful pagka sa research, sa English subject ninyo, meron kayong work, how to use the library. You can have that. Next, please. Is reference. Our reference is basically assisting, user assistance. So, pagka pumunta kayo ng library, you can look for me, Miss Angela, sabi mo sa akin sa orientation, pwede ka namin hanapin para tulungan kami where to find this book, how to use this material. Ayun, and then we also give, I will also teach you how to use the online public access catalog. Hindi na kailangan mag-browse ng hard catalog, computer lang, type nyo lang title, which is one click away, malalaman nyo saan ito makikita. And then referrals. So before you go to those libraries na mention ko, you have to see me first. You will write a letter to their librarian, so you will be introduced. Okay? And then, the library is air-conditioned. Napakalamig, napakasarap magbasa doon. And then, we have the electronics, we have the library security system to prevent theft. And then, we also have the Destiny Library Management, yung under sa OPA. And then, yung wala na tayong library card, lahat by computer na, napaka-techy, di ba? And then, multimedia room. Sa multimedia room, doon yung hihiram yung mga multimedia materials. So, pagka punta niyo sa library, please feel free na mag-tour kahit na 1 floor lang tayo. Next, please. We have 18 personnel sa library, all ready to assist every user who comes in the library. And then the borrowing requirement, you will need your school ID and EAF when you need to borrow a material. Next, please. So we are located 3rd floor, opposite of this Hall of Freedom. If you try to, if you can go sa library, pagbaba sa 2nd floor, at the end of the hallway, may stairs aakyat sa taas. And then we are open Monday to Saturday, 6:30 a.m. hanggang 8 p.m. No noon break. So, hindi nagla-lunch break ang library natin. So, to give the parents a glimpse of the library, these are the physical facilities. This is the reading area. Next, please. Still a reading. Ito is circulation reserve area. This is where you borrow the materials. Electronic library. You see flat monitors lahat. This is the periodical section where you go if you want to read magazines, newspapers. This is the online public access catalog located at the left side sa entrance area. And then this is the multimedia section. So I hope to see you all sa library. Pag may vacant time kayo, please go sa library library, you can read novels or magazines, and even the parents, I am inviting you to see the library and the librarians. Thank you.
Thank you very much.